all the details for you guys in this video, and I will be sharing a few warnings that you guys need to know before checking it out. So there has been some talk about whether Java Burn is as good as it sounds, so you definitely don't want to miss any of this. Before we jump in, I have linked the official website in the description below, so make sure to check it out if you want more information. You guys, this is the first warning you guys need to know. Java Burn is only sold on the official website, so you have to check out the link to see everything you guys need and to get the real deal. So you have probably seen Java Burn mentioned online and might be wondering what it's all about. Well, let me tell you, Java Burn is making waves as a standout natural supplement. So what actually is the big deal and why is everyone talking about it? Java Burn is this very unique blend that uses the power of 100% natural ingredients to support your weight loss journey. It's actually made from high quality ingredients and is completely safe for your body, so you don't have to worry about any weird, unpleasant side effects. Java Burn is designed to boost your metabolism, increase your energy levels, and help your body burn fat more effectively throughout the day. Plus, it is packed with antioxidants, which are fantastic for your overall health. With Java Burn, you can enjoy your morning cup of coffee while giving your body a very healthy boost. For the best results, it is recommended to add Java Burn to your daily coffee routine. It's really easy to incorporate that, and it's a really easy way to kickstart your mornings and really get your metabolism going. And here's something amazing. Java Burn really is suitable for everyone, regardless if you're a man or a woman. Whether you're looking to just shed a few pounds or need an extra energy boost throughout the day, Java Burn really has everything to offer. But remember, consistency is really important, you guys. To get the full benefits of Java Burn, it's important to make it a regular part of your routine. If you stay committed, you might start seeing some impressive results sooner than you think. According to
in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box, click on the link below, then you will go directly to their official website. But I recommend you to stay with me because the alert will be available just here on this video. Well, folks, the Java Burn is a dietary supplement that is completely natural. I'm going to begin with this information that for me it is the most important one. That means it has no chemicals inside of the formula, just natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients, minerals, proteins, and all this blend of natural ingredients was specifically chosen by scientists that proved it to be effective in your weight management. So the Java Burn is for everybody out there who struggles to lose weight, you know, people who can't find the root cause of their problem, he's struggling with that. The Java Burn can really help you guys. This blend of natural ingredients will speed up your body's metabolism, give you more satiety, suppress the cravings and appetite. It will boost levels of energy and disposition, reduce stress and anxiety, give you a better and improved sleep, improve your immune system as well. Not mentioning that it will fill your body with vitamins, nutrients, everything your body needs to keep healthy, so your body won't need to storage your fat anymore. It will flush out all of the storage of fat. So yes, the Java Burn really works, guys. It can bring all of these amazing results for you. Just be committed to it to see these results, okay? You have to take it every single day. Otherwise, you won't see it and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimal treatment with Java Burn is of 3 months, but I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective results you are looking for. To take the Java Burn, it's super simple, guys. You have to mix it with your morning coffee, so it's easy to put in your daily routine, and mixing it with coffee, you will have better and faster results. If you take it and don't see results, they return all of your money back, so you can feel very safe in buying it. I have just one alert to share with you is where you're going to purchase this supplement, because the Java Burn is only available to buy on the official website. It is not possible to purchase it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with that. That's why I left the link just below in the description box of my video. This is the only place you can buy the original Java Burn from, nowhere else, okay? Also on the official website, guys, is the place you can check out the complete information